Chapter 8, Question 33. We're going to finish off this unit with a couple questions about insurance. So the first one is expected value for insurance policy for earthquake insurance. So we start off with a probability that there is an earthquake, Q. And we're told that on average it will happen 0.0013, less than 1%, which is good for us. And then the expected result is that if there is an earthquake, they'll have to pay out $60,000 per policy. They charge $100 for this policy, so the expected result is going to be the $60,000 they pay out, which is a negative value for them, plus the $100 they got for the policy. So that gives us an expected value of negative, or expected result of $59,900 negative times this probability of getting an earthquake. Okay. The probability of not an earthquake, as you might have guessed, we're going to take this number, subtract it from 1. So 1 minus, remember that 1 is like 100%, minusing 0.0013. So what we end up with is 0.9987, 99.87% chance of not having an earthquake. And if there's not an earthquake, the company got the $100 policy fee, premium, and they didn't have to pay anything out. So that's 0.9987. Multiplying these two out, we get, for this first one, we get $77.87, and that's a negative, as we see here. And when we multiply these two out, we get $99.87. And when we add these two together, we get that the company would expect, if it sold a large number of policies, it would expect $22 even for each policy it sold. And again, there's probably some commissions involved in this, but it does tell them they're in a good territory. The problem with insurance is that this $60,000 of damages gets offset when there is a massive earthquake that they weren't planning for. But this is how they price policies so that they can make sure they're going to make a profit.